Hi, my name is Richard. Thanks for checking out my course. The reason I created this course is actually pretty straightforward. I put up a short video on YouTube that provided a brief overview of SMART goals, and the feedback was overwhelmingly positive. It was my biggest performing, highest performing video, with over 60,000 views, 140 likes, and 5 dislikes. You can't please everybody. But besides just being my biggest performer, I got a lot of good feedback and people asking me to expand on it to make the course bigger. And if you've never heard of SMART goals, it's a structured way to get more out of your goals by making sure they're specific, measurable, actionable, relevant, and time-bound. And I go over each of these concepts in the course, as well as go over some of the more common errors that people make when they are setting their goals. The course is designed for entrepreneurs, leaders, innovators, or anybody who wants to accomplish more. If that sounds like you, enroll today.